From classic toe-tapping melodies to sweeping orchestral scores, we celebrate the music that made us laugh, cry, and believe in magic.
For those that are coming up to the stage, you don't want to make your way back.
Now they're taking us backstage.
Since what was it, 92? Yeah, since 92 people. Well, why has no one scratched it off? I scratched it off now. I'd have been interested in this kind of stuff, though. I have never found out where to go to learn about it. It's just that I've been trying to figure out how to get
Yeah, I'm definitely not one that likes to be on stage, but here we are. And our maintenance store. This is a place that a year and a half ago we saw the third train stored in here, the new one they bought before they put it all together. Or at least the lead car was in here. The other cars were in this one back here. And this is the shed where we saw the train reveal of Dr. Diabolical's cliffhanger. When was that? Late 2021? The Roadrunner Boulder. Yeah, cliffhanger train in the building. For the Christmas tree over there. And this is an area I have not been to before on any of the other backstage tours. We're gonna be going behind Pandemonium and Wonder Woman.
It's pretty cool because you can actually see some remnants down there of the Tony Hawk theming that used to be present on this attraction. You got that ramp, the stars down there. You can't get it this thing.
Yeah, they still have this
So now I'm closer to Kings Island.
backside of Wonder Woman's queue. Cycling the new trains. It will not be open for us, but it's not too long now. So on yesterday's tour, we got to walk right up to the water's edge right here. And now we came around the other way.
We're gonna go ahead and come right around this way, around onto the grass, follow the line. If you do not want to go through the queue, you can head onto the tree where Michael is on standby to send you out through the gates. You're gonna head into the queue here for Wonder Woman Golden Lasso Coaster.
And no, we don't get to ride.